All right, so what I did now is the 1x8 is just resting on the top. See, so you can see those terraced bricks, which is kind of pretty. It's a pretty architectural feature. I just thought it was getting a little too high. So I wanted to drop it down a bit, but this is fine. And so so basically, so then this would be, this is what the top would look like. It's a 1x8 with a 1x6 would be on the front and the back. Another 1x8 on top. And you'll see, and one of my concerns is depth, right? So my lights will fit, and that's fitting fine with a 1x6. And then I asked her, would it be better if we use a 1x10 instead of a 1x8? And she says wider's better. So I'm going to use a 1x10. I got to go back to the store, take this 1x8 back. We'll use a 1x10 on the top and the bottom, 1x6 on the front. She came up with the great idea. Don't put a back on it. Screw a 2x4 to the wall. So when and don't put a back on it, so when the top comes in, we'll have something to screw it to. Great idea. So that's what we're going to do. So I got to go to the store, get two 1x10 by 10 foot boards, and get working on this. So something else I didn't tell you. So I'm going to put light switches here for the lights, a switch for the lights, and another switch. I also in here have an outlet stuck down in there. You can't see, but I'm going to have an outlet here and one on the other side for Christmas lights or whatever we want lights up here for, with a switch down over here. So we can turn them off, and maybe I'll put a timer in there. I don't know. But so I got to go to the store. Let me do that. I'll be right back.